I was in a homeless housing, and it's the first time I've been in that situation. And I committed a crime, and I finished off in prison for the first time. While I was in prison, my partner wrote me a letter and told me that she thinks that I should get tested because she thought she had hepatitis. So I got tested while I was in prison, and I had hepatitis, but my partner didn't have hepatitis. So that's how I found out. That was in 2013. It was a shock because I didn't really understand what it was, how and why, and what was going to happen, especially because I was in prison as well. Then I met Delith, my super nurse, who's been amazing. I'm hepatitis free now. I think it was Epcluso I was taking on a 12-week course. Everything worked perfectly. I had no side effects. A lot of people out there just do not know they could have hepatitis. You could have hepatitis. Everyone assumes that they are. I haven't got it. But I think everyone should be tested. Simple test. Everyone has one. The treatment that I took didn't affect me at all through any day of my life for the 12 weeks. My blood test came back negative. I tested again 6 months, I think, from that, and same again, negative again. And just living a healthy lifestyle, doing everything you're supposed to do. You would never know. You walk around, go to work, have a partner, you just wouldn't know that you've got hepatitis until it's too late. When the liver's that damaged, it's irreparable, and then the serious stuff starts. We don't have to get to that point now. Luckily, we do not have to get to that point. We can sort it out now